How to make money on Instagram. Instagram Business reports 200 million accounts check out a business profile every day, with 66% of profile visits coming from non-followers, 60% using the platform to find new items, and 80% following at least one brand. Finding the right strategy is just as important as adding followers if you want to figure out how to monetize your Instagram account. Now, how to get paid for Instagram. We've got a few tips for you. And a lot of money can be made on Instagram. Your predicted revenues will obviously vary if you are not one of the most well-known celebrities in the world, but don't let that keep you from making Instagram work for you. So here's a few tips for you. Number 1, promote affiliate links. Your first step is to sign up for high-paying affiliate network so you can begin posting affiliate links to your Instagram account and earn a commission on the sales you bring in through those links. Affiliate links can provide significant revenue when used properly, so consider using programs like ShareSale and ClickBank. Additionally, you can sign up for specific affiliate programs directly from a business's website by searching company and affiliate program. In your Instagram bio, you can include a clickable link with a compelling call to action to encourage readers to check them out. However, it's important to disclose affiliate links and the fact that you make money off of them. Both ethical standards and Instagram rules require these disclosures. Number 2, market both physical and digital goods. Instagram has developed into a powerful sales engine for the well-positioned e-commerce store over the previous few years. In order to streamline the purchasing process, Instagram has added extra tools for business accounts, such as the shop button, in-app checkout, product tags, and shoppable stickers. Square Online is one of the most recent services to help you sell items from Instagram. This program converts Instagram posts from your account into a fully functional website in only 3 easy steps. First, join Square using your Instagram business account. Second, when posting on Instagram, tag any items you intend to sell. Third, launch your website by clicking Publish. Fortunately, all you need to do is pay transaction fees to get started in Square Online. Eventually, if you decide to create your own custom domain, you can upgrade to a paid plan. Alternatively, you can also start by using an e-commerce website platform or builder, then leverage Instagram as an additional marketing channel. To avoid having to ship your own goods or manage returns, consider launching a drop shipping business if you want to get started with as little hassle as possible. You can also choose to start selling on Amazon and use Instagram to advertise your products. Regardless, make sure to include content links on your Instagram account, such as a call to action and website link. Furthermore, if you've obtained an Instagram creator account, you can make shoppable posts to offer tangible goods for sale within the app. People purchase a wide range of goods on Instagram, from budget cosmetics and vintage clothing to lavish homes and pricey vehicles. Your prospective customer is almost certainly present regardless of what you sell, so it's crucial to identify your specialty and assess the competition by looking up the hashtags and phrases you wish to use. Number 3, post sponsored content. Influencer marketing is growing. Simply said, consumers look to their peers for recommendations. So it makes sense that more and more firms are contacting influencers to secure product mentions. The Federal Trade Commission, or FTC's standards for internet advertising state that all influencers must declare sponsored posts since Instagram users demand openness. And the best part? To start earning money from sponsored posts, you don't need a sizable following. Even large businesses like Dunkin' seek to collaborate with nano and micro influencers because most brands focus on the engagement rate when selecting the ideal influencer. You can receive an offer even if you have fewer than 1,000 Instagram followers because these influencers tend to engage the majority of their subscribers with personal interaction and therefore produce superior outcomes. Number 4, volunteer to represent a brand. On Instagram, sponsored posts are effective. But since most businesses want to build long-lasting connections with influencers, they look for brand ambassadors to regularly promote their brands. Given that Instagram is the most popular platform for influencer marketing, individuals may easily identify brand ambassador initiatives and work with businesses to promote their products there. Influencers are routinely given complimentary products by big brands to review and promote. The majority of brand ambassadors enter into agreements with companies to promote their goods. Additionally, in order to achieve greater outcomes, marketers must locate an influencer whose fan base closely resembles their intended market. As brand ambassadors typically earn between $40,000 and $50,000 a year, this represents a fantastic opportunity for them to make money. Due to maintaining a more engaged audience, micro-influencers in a particular area are frequently more useful to marketers than big celebrities. So, no matter your starting point, this can be a great option for you. Number 5. Produce commercial visual content. Instagram's visual focus is no secret. 100 million plus photographs and videos are uploaded every day. To stand out from the competition, marketers need more than just overly polished professional product images uploaded to their accounts. Customers in the modern day value authenticity, thus they closely scrutinize user-generated information. Companies of all sizes in the tourism sector allow actual tourists to shoot pictures exhibiting their experiences during their stays at brand locations in exchange for complimentary lodging and cash. Number 6. Offer services for social media marketing. With such significant sales potential, an increasing number of businesses are using Instagram to advertise their goods, connect with target demographic, and boost revenue. In fact, Instagram Business claims over 2 million advertisers and 25 million companies use the platform. Brands require expert guidance to stand out from the expanding competition, so there's high demand for social media marketing services, including monthly assistance and training. Number 7. Create masks and filters for Instagram stories. Nobody could have foreseen the explosive success of this platform in 2016 when Instagram debuted Instagram Stories, a short-lived content format that was a direct copy of Snapchat. Over 500 million people use Instagram Stories daily to view or create content. People become highly engaged with this kind of material because it is only available for a short time, which allows marketers to attract their target market. Additionally, businesses produce filters and masks to use on Instagram Stories and help advertise their goods while demonstrating their competence in a certain market. If you enjoy being creative, leverage AR Studios to make augmented reality filters and masks for Instagram Stories. Transient material is without a doubt the future of social media, as evidenced by the increasing popularity of Instagram Stories. Our final tip, number 8. Locate freelance customers. Instagram is much more than just sharing adorable pictures of your dog. Since reaching the milestone of 1 billion active users, Instagram has developed into an excellent platform for networking, particularly for those working in the creative industries. Accordingly, more and more professionals are using the site as an online portfolio. You can use Instagram to attract clients no matter what you do for work, whether you're a filmmaker, ghostwriter, public speaker, manufacturer, or something else. Depending on your work, you can even make yourself available for gig employment in their Instagram bio or get proactive and offer your services directly to a business through their direct messages. Overall, maintaining credibility in your field is the key to success. Therefore, it's critical to highlight your work on the platform and make it clear to your audience that you're open to new freelance options. Instagram can be a great resource for you, and I hope these tips help you earn the income and financial freedom you're looking for.